There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk in diamond black crystal pearl. With bi-xenon HID projector headlamps, headlamp washers, 20-inch aluminum wheels, Brembo 6-piston front brakes, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 23,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select track system, heated rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6677A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.